Today, we will be demonstrating how to use the split column tile in Magic ETL in Domo. This video is one of many helpful tutorials in our Magic ETL playlist. Be sure to check it out after this video to learn more about Domo. The first step to splitting the text in a column is ensuring that you have an input dataset. It is always a best practice to name your data flow. Under the Text Actions section on the left-hand menu of your screen, you will find the split column tile. Drag that tile onto your canvas. Connect your split column tile to your input dataset tile. In this example, we will be splitting the email domain away from the email username. The delimiter for this example will be custom, but you can split a column on a column, tab, semicolon, or whitespace as well. Our custom delimiter is the @ sign. Select whether or not you want to keep any extra splits. We will name the new column Email Username. Now we will want to create an output data set for this change to reside. Let's see how this looks in our data. As you can see, we have successfully split the original email column. We can now view just the email username. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Arigato Analytics for more tips for Domo users.